Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to speak about the life journey of Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, India. His family was poor, but he worked very hard from a young age. He even sold newspaper to support his family. He loved science and wanted to become a successful scientist. He studied aerospace engineering and joined ISRO and DRDO. He played an important role in India's missile and space programs. That is why he is called the Missile Man of India. In 2022, he became the 11th President of India. He was loved by people, especially students. He always inspired young people to dream big and work hard. One of his famous quotes is, "Dream is not what you see in sleep. Dream is something that does not let you sleep." Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam passed away on 27 July 2015 while leaving a lecture to students. His life teaches us that work hard, honesty, and determination can make any dream come true. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.